Hello viewers, welcome back to my friend's channel Ajaz Arena. Today's video is a tribute to one of the most important person of Telugu history, Mr. NT Rama Rao. He was a famous Indian actor, producer, director and also a famous politician. He served as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for 7 years in 3 terms. After his career in films, he entered into politics and founded a party called Telugu Desam Party. He was known as an advocate of Telugu people's cultural identity, differentiating it from the erstwhile Madras state. As a tribute to Mr. NTR, NTR Gardens and Memorial was installed in the heart of the city. So let's see how this garden looks. The city of pearls, Hyderabad, does not disappoint when it comes to parks too. Hyderabad is a home to one of the most beautiful parks in the country, NTR Gardens. Built in the memory of late Shri NT Rama Rao, former and the most popular CM of AP. This memorial gardens is preferred sightseeing destination for families. Close to 10,000 visitors throng the park during weekends and 7,000 on working days. Spread across an area of 36 acres, this garden presents an ideal destination to spend leisure hours wrapped in amusement and greenery. Mr. Nitish Rao designed this unique garden. He is also designer of Ramoji Film City and also several amusement parks, film cities, not only in India but also in Singapore. This garden consists of 150 desert plant varieties. The plants are of medicinal importance and are used for medical remedies. City's first multiplex IMAX is just beside it. You can walk around or spend time on the green lawns observing the fun all around. If you want to get even more peaceful time, you could even get on a boat ride here. My reason for visiting this place is to meet all the cute little kids having fun. After all, kids remind us the joy we miss in our lives. Children smiling, playing dashing boats, adults flocking to get onto the Columbus is an admirable sight at this park. This park remains best tribute to our beloved NT Rama Rao. That's vlog 4 for you. See you in the next vlog.